Hi guys, welcome back. So for today's video we're going to be doing what we got for Christmas haul.
We're very grateful for everything that we got and we're not trying to brag.
Really the only reason why we're making this video is because number one, I'm addicted to watching these on Christmas and around Christmas. And also we just want to thank all of our friends and family for giving us all these wonderful gifts because most of them do watch our videos. But we are so blessed to have loving family and friends.
And if you guys are new to the channel, my name's Maddie.
And I'm Megan, and we are sisters and we make lifestyle YouTube videos once a week.
Follow us on Instagram at Megan + Madi. So the first thing we got is what we got in our stockings from our mom and dad, and they are these candles. Mine's like sugar plum or something like that. It's from like the Nutcracker and the Four Realms by Disney. So.
And mine is a 2-color candle. The top is this jubilant rose and the bottom is lavender and peach. And they smell really good and fresh. I'm gonna have to save this for the springtime.
Mine smells very sugar plum like.
And the next thing from our parents that I got was this candy cane body butter from the Body Shop. I love this scent. It smells so good, and the body butters from the Body Shop are just amazing.
And I got a water bottle, and it's like a wood thing.
And I also got a water bottle. This one's Swell because I've been wanting a Swell water bottle for a really long time, so I put it on my list. I had a water bottle like this, but it was a Swell brand and it actually wouldn't close, so I really needed a new one. And this is just this really pretty, like, bluish, goldish ombre color. It feels really nice and it's just so pretty. I love it so much.
And I got 3 notebooks. I think they were called confetti notebooks actually. But yeah, they're really cute. And I got ball piping tips.
And that's for cupcake decorating, and I got something similar except they are snowflakes.
I got 2 of these, but I used one that's upstairs. So they're like these things, and you add them to water. It's like squirt drops you add to water.
It's like Neo.
But basically this one's pink lemonade, and the one upstairs is strawberry watermelon.
Next we both got these Lindor chocolate bars. Mine is milk chocolate.
And mine is white chocolate, but I kind of ate it, so. The next thing I got were these vanilla cream bath bombs. They're by Skin Tent.
And I also got a peppermint candy cane bath bomb from them.
I got earbuds, and then I also got a power bank.
It's a portable charger. And we have mini Christmas trees in our rooms, so our parents both put little puzzle cubes under there. And mine's like this weird star-shaped thing. And this is going to be really cool to solve. I think it's going to be really hard. You tried yours, right?
Yeah, I tried mine. Mine was a square, and I couldn't get it. We also got these matching bracelets under our little mini Christmas trees.
Mine's upstairs in my room, but mine's silver.
And mine's bronze.
And I also got some Sharpie pens, and I am addicted to these things. I use them when I do my planning a lot. And the last little stocking stuffer thing from my parents that I got was this iPhone 7/8 case because I am going to buy a new iPhone 7 or 8. I'm saving up for it myself, so I haven't really decided when I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get it pretty soon.
So now we're gonna show you the gifts that we got from our parents that were in our stockings. So the first thing I got were these Roots sweatpants.
And I got these curling mittens, which will come in handy on the ice because if you didn't already know, curling ice is super cold and my hands are just cold in general, so I always get super cold. And my gloves weren't really warm enough, so these are going to be really warm. They're like fleece on the inside, and I'm just so excited to use them.
And the second thing I got, I don't have right now because I kind of had to, like I was wearing them and then there was some incident with a bottle of lotion and me being clumsy. So there was lotion everywhere and on the thing that I got. So they were like these Mickey Mouse pajamas, and they had little ears, and then they had like Mickey's face.
I also got these hand warmers going along with the fact that my hands are always freezing from my parents, and this is a chargeable one with a little case.
I got this bathrobe, and it is literally the softest thing on the planet. I don't think I've ever felt anything this soft. Okay, so if anyone knows me, I'm obsessed with Disney.
Especially
my parents, Moana. Yeah. My parents got me these Moana, like, wall stickers. I know I'm 13 and these were 3+, but, you know, who cares about age? Then I also got this Moana Pamper Spa set Again, 3+. I've been asking for a plaid blanket for literally like 2.5 years, like so long. And I finally got one. It's really, really soft, and I've been sleeping with it like every night.
We also got a lot of shared gifts for Maddie and I from our parents, and the first one is this Mario Monopoly game, and this is really fun. We tried it on Christmas morning with our cousins, and it has Princess Peach, which is my favorite character.
We got this heated blanket for us to share.
Oh, I'm so excited.
And then my mom gets her own.
Oh, your heated blanket was the best. So the next thing we got from our parents is in this box, and it is a stabilizer. I've seen so many YouTubers that I watch use stabilizers, and they look like they really come in handy. Basically, if you don't know what it is, it's this thing that you attach to the camera, and when you do shots without the tripod, it keeps them stable, which will come in handy a lot because we do a lot of stabilized shots on our channel, and I'm really, really excited to use this.
We already have one of these, but we got a bigger version, is the Google Home. We had the Google Home Mini. It was like a tiny little cute one.
The Google Home in general is just so cool. We play like trivia on it.
Yeah.
And you can also just ask it like questions. One time I got it tell me with my math homework. Next from our mom, we got these straws, and they are metal. Maddie and I use straws all the time, especially for smoothies. The next thing we got is this mermaid blanket. So we have this little like tail at the bottom, and you stick your legs through the fin part. So now we're gonna move on to some gifts from my friends. So from my friend Sephora, she gave me these really good truffles.
Do you have more?
Yeah, I still have another bag. We're not opening it though. Okay, so story time here. So these are actually called truffles, but Maddie and I
that's what truffles de France.
Oh! When I first read the bag, I read it as truffles. So ever since, the name has stuck, and they're actually by Truffles de France. So technically that's okay, but they're pretty much these mini brownie bites, and they are so good. I'm not opening the second bag because Maddie and I ate the first bag in like 3 days. These are really good though, thank you Sephora. And next from my Secret Santa, Mallory, she gave me some fuzzy socks, and these are really, really pretty. I like this color blue, and they're sparkly, and I'm obsessed with sparkles. And then she also gave me this Vanilla Bean Noel candle, which smells really, really good. And Mallory also gave me this really, really, really cute tumbler cup for my iced coffee and just coffee in general, and it says "So much fun." This is so cute, and I'm so excited to bring it to school with my coffee in it. And she also gave me some Reese's, but those are my favorite candy, and I already ate them all. Next from my friend Sam, she gave me this really cool highlighter, and it looks like a whiteout, but it's actually a pink highlighter. And from my friend Sydney, I got these really warm, cozy socks, which I'm really excited to use as well. They're like fleece, like fluffy right here, and they're just so cute. So thank you to Sydney and Mallory for your gifts, and Sam as well.
So now we have the gifts from our Aunt Julie, Uncle Trevor, and cousins Brooke and Carter. The first thing that we got were these garage socks.
Okay, this is one of my favorite gifts definitely ever. It is this Midnight Wishes Sephora palette, and I actually really enjoy playing with makeup and eyeshadows especially. All the colors are super shimmery and sparkly, and I love them all, and I've just never had like an official good quality palette, so I'm so excited to use this.
So the next thing Megan's been asking for me to buy for like years.
So long.
Same amount as I've been asking for the blanket. So it's a scarf.
Yeah, you know, like just the plaid scarves that you wrap around you. Not like that.
Ooh la la.
But just like a chunky knit scarf to wear in the winter, so they got us that as well. And they also got us these raspberry bath bombs. So thank you Aunt Julie, Uncle Trevor, Brooke, and Carter for your gifts. I really like them.
Yeah, same.
Next from our Uncle Kirk and our cousins Jenna and Ethan, we got a box of cereal. I got Cheerios, and they actually they hid Maddie's gift in the cereal box, and then she opened hers first. And then when I went to open mine, I expected it was hid in the cereal box, but it wasn't. So it was all just a big trick.
And then they put half of a bag of cereal on top, so when I opened it, I would see the cereal. But I was smarter than that. I opened the bottom of the box to find the Mittens. They didn't fool me. We got a hat and Mittens.
They're really cute and warm.
And they're like all about like breast cancer and how to go pink. And from our Uncle Kirk we got these little like camera microphones.
They're really cute.
We would be using them right now, but we kind of need to show you them. So.
Ooh. That's so cute.
Look at me.
It's a little tiny baby mic.
So basically you just click this on the side of the camera or something like that, and then you connect this into the camera.
So these are really going to come in handy for our filming as well. So thank you. The next thing that we got from our Uncle Tyler and our cousin Callie is this movie gift certificate. So we're going to the movies and getting free popcorn there. And we also each got a Kit Kat bar. Did you eat yours? Once again, Maddie ate it.
So thank you for that. I'm eating a candy cane. So the next thing that we got were from our grandparents.
Nana and Granddad.
We got these little chocolate like things like mine's
Nana and Granddad, yeah.
Mine's a little reindeer and
mine's a Santa.
I got one of these on my birthday and they were really they tasted really good.
Try it.
And then we also got some money and
these little cute stockings. And I already spent some of the money on this devotion book. Basically every day of the year for 2019 there's like a little reading which makes you closer to God, and then you write like a little description at the bottom. So this is really cute. I got one of these for my parents last year and I really enjoyed reading it the whole year, so I'm excited to have a new one.
And then the next thing that we got were these pajamas, and they're really cute.
And the last thing that we got is from our other set of grandparents, and it is a giant comfort food basket. So they always do this for us every Christmas and we really enjoy it because
yeah,
food. I love junk food. So we got chips.
Seriously, this is like
Pop-Tarts, apples, oranges, bananas, Jello. Oh, this is Jello. Ooh, Jello, which I'm gonna eat later. Pudding. I thought that was all pudding. I really like Jello. A kiwi, these wafer rolls, 2 brownies, which I already ate, and these marshmallow chocolate things, and also fizz candies, which I am obsessed with, and I got some Dentine ice gum. My grandma always has that in the car, and I'm addicted to it. And she also gave us these really, really cute snowman ornaments, and they light up. The little nose lights up, if I can get it to turn on. There we go. And some hand warmers.
So I got the same bin, but you can see I ate everything, so I don't really have anything to show you. Right.
And they also gave us some Christmas money and these cute little cards that say "'Tis the season."
Yeah, they can tell how much I really enjoy them because I always eat them before we get to show anyone.
They are good. And I already spent some of the money that they gave us on this new planner for 2019. So thank you to both sets of our grandparents for the lovely gifts. We really appreciate them.
So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing what we got for Christmas. If you did, give it a like.
And also don't forget to subscribe if you're new by clicking the red button. So we really hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, and we just want you guys to know that this video was not to brag, it's just to say thank you to everybody that gave us gifts this year.
So yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see ya.
Bye.
Peace.